Yes, hello. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Hair Zipper. Thank you so much for subscribing. And my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, as usual. Since I promise, like every week, I'll be dropping a video. We keep on learning how we can try to play around with the crochets. So for this time, there's something very small I want to show you. How you can play it, the French coils. The French coil is just something very simple, though it has got some tips on it. So follow me as we are doing this together, and don't forget to subscribe. So when you're plating the French coils, as usual, what we always do, we have to wash. Yes, we have to wash our hair. Yes, as usual, wash our hair. We do the blow dry. Yes, with a little treatment. So when we're done with that, for this time, what we're going to do, we are going to play the French coil. So plating the French coil, these are some tips I want to give you on some crochets. Note that when you're doing big crochets, the swirls are supposed to be big, and when the crochets are small, the swirls are supposed to be small. Sometimes it's when sometimes the crochets can be small and you do big swirls, depending on what you're going to do. But on this time, we're going to do small swirls because even our crochet is very small. It's a Frenchy coil. It's curly, as you can see. Yeah, we're going to do it with we're going to play it a small corner. So all we're going to do is I'm going to make a puff swirls. Yes, a puff swirls. So because that one helps if someone wants to hold a puff, it keeps on looking nicely and you can still leave it free. And still, when you do this, the puff swirls, you can separate the crochet anywhere, like all the sides you want. You can put it in the middle, the sideways, and still you can put them behind, or you can hold the puff. So this is the good way of doing all that kind of partition if you plate the puff swirls. Yes, the puff swirls is very, very nice. So this time we're going to do the small ones because even our crochet is very small. So please make sure you subscribe and we do this together. It's going to be simple but very, very nice. So I'm doing this, as you can see. We are doing the puff swirls, very small. Because as I told you, like for us here at the Hair Zipper, we do work as a team. Yes, we work as a team. So finishing doing the cornrows, yes, we are going to start crocheting, and this is another tip of how you can plait how you're supposed to plait the crochet. Yes. This is what you do when you're crocheting. Please try to move with your hands. Yes, try to move with your hands, like when you're crocheting. After passing the crochet hook like this, then when you're bringing your hook, please try to bring it smoothly, especially when you're learning how to use a crochet. Yeah, it's not good like to be speedy yet you don't know how to use it well, because at times may hurt your client. So this is how you do it, slowly, and you press like that. Yeah, so when you're done, you tie the crochet. This one, to avoid it to untie, come back. So that's why I always tie there. After tying, then you start crocheting. So you make sure that all the crochets that we're going to be plaiting, you just have, when you crochet, you tie it like this. Yes, like that. You just put and you tie like that. So this is how we're going to be. We plait our crochets, and we make sure that we park everywhere. to see that it's all packed. Yes, please don't forget to subscribe, because this is going to be continuous. We're going to be doing it every week. Every week I'm dropping a video, and we'll be sharing all ideas on how to plait crochets, braiding, cornrows, and weaving. So this is how we're plaiting the Frenchy coils.
I'm so fresh, supernatural, no pain in every angle. So simple, hair zipper, take it to another level. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, no hustle. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, girl, no hustle. Oh yeah.
And when I'm done, I'm showing you what you can get from this. Yes, the French coils, that's how they are. Please make sure you don't forget to subscribe. So when you're done here, you can see that you can put it behind. You can hold the puff as I'm showing you. Yes, or you can still leave it free. Yes, this is so amazing, as you can see. So this was our Frenchy coils. Yeah, very soft and flexible. And the tip on this one, you make sure that you be spraying it every day. You just mix water with any oil, any hair polisher oil, mix it with water, and be spraying it every day in the morning when you wake. So thank you so much for loving Hair Zipper and for subscribing our YouTube channel. See you next week. Amber names of Morris, the crochet master. I love you. Bye.
Yeah, it's Morris, the Hair Zipper, the crochet master. Yeah. It's so light as a tango on the head. Easy to maintain. You can hold the puff and move around so free. Yeah.
So styleable, portable, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl. The zipper curl, 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 the zipper curl.
Buno buviro bulungi bulina kawuka ku mutwe. Siganye enviri zo mpanvu naye obusiba mwatuno nyuma. Long lasting and so washable, easy to style. Wozitaze, wozisange kuwe yo zipper. Muwe junkie curl, junkie curl, junkie curl. Junkie curl.
Oh yeah, it's coach and twist. It's easy to maintain. It's washable, light on your head. It brings no dandruff in your hair. Long lasting. I love my